For you, for us, for life. Huizhou Foryou Medical Device Company Limited. Foryou Medical is situated in Huizhou, only 130 kilometers to Shenzhen and HongKong. We are a knowledge-intensive enterprise which specializes in R&D, manufacturing and selling of advanced wound care dressings, polymeric hemostatic products, and absorbable biomaterials. Dedication is the quality that we take great pride in. We persevere in the research and development of innovative technologies and the improvement of quality system. There is one thing we'd always dedicate ourselves to: providing patients with the finest hemostatic and wound care products and creating the greatest value for them. We value technical innovation and take actions to guarantee R&D investment. A dedicated R&D fund is built to ensure that at least 10% of our last year's sales revenue is allocated to research and development every year. Employee cultivation is another area where we spare no effort. People are one of the most important factors of the company's development. Currently, R&D staff account for 20% of our total workforce. Aging of population and the rising prevalence of chronic diseases are great challenges that China and the whole world are facing. Advanced wound care dressing rise in response to market demand is one of the areas that we have been focusing on for years. The moist wound healing is currently the most advanced wound caring concept in the world. With this concept in mind, we have dedicated years of hard work and have successfully developed and launched a slow silver releasing antibacterial technology with independent intellectual property rights. Currently, our antibacterial dressing product series, including LUOFUCON Silver Alginate Dressing, Silver Foam Dressing, and Silicone Ag Foam Dressing, have become our competitive edge in the global wound care market. Without any exception, all of these products are the first of its kind among domestic products that have received the US FDA 510(k) approval. These core technologies with innovation patents have given us unique competitive advantage as a high-end antibacterial dressing manufacturer in China. Meanwhile, based on a 5-year research on absorbable gauze conducted in cooperation with the Chinese Academy of Sciences, National Institute of Food and Drug Control, and Peking University, as well as some top-class domestic academic and research organizations, we have become the first hemostatic gauze maker in China in possession of the full set of absorbable gauze technologies, ranging from in vivo dissolution, absorption to metabolism. SunTouch absorbable hemostatic gauze is widely applied in clinical departments around the country and has received more recognition and acclaim in comparison with similar products after its launch. Strong and advantageous technologies are the source of our competitiveness, but we believe the key to high product quality lies in strict production process control and firm quality management. From environmental hygiene, personal hygiene, to material decontamination, it's everyone's duty to safeguard the absolute sterile production environment of our medical products. To achieve this goal, we have equipped ourselves with large HVAC systems to purify the air and appointed dedicated persons to keep monitoring key indicators like in-house settling microbes, airborne particles, and microbial loads. Moreover, no one may enter any of our workshops before passing through 3 cleaning and sterilizing processes. No raw material or package will be admitted into any warehouse or feed in any production line until it passes through strict inspection procedures. And no product will be released to the next production procedure unless it has gone through a strict quality inspection process under the whole course monitoring of our quality control people. A sterilization validation will be carried out for all finished products in conformity with ISO 11135 and ISO 11137 standards to assure their sterile assurance level. After sterilization, each product batch will be inspected meticulously to see if they meet our technological requirements. Only after that and the sample retention process will they be delivered to warehouses and eventually released to the market. All the orderly operations mentioned above are the results of well-functioning quality assurance systems of ours. We have received several international certifications, including ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and KGMP, and are one of the few Chinese advanced wound care dressing manufacturers who have passed the US FDA on-site audit with 0 observation. By setting up legal specialists and team, we are able to keep a close watch on any change in domestic and international policies and legislations, and timely identify, learn, and introduce the latest developments into our quality management system to stay aligned with the world's legal framework. The only thing that drives us to firmly carry on quality control and relentlessly improve quality management is to guarantee the safety and effectiveness of our products and particularly meet our customers' needs and expectations. Dedication makes for professionalism. Quality makes for the reputation of brands. With the craftsman spirit and high-quality products, Foryou Medical has successfully won the support and trust of over 300 customers from the US, UK, Canada, Russia, Japan, and many other countries and regions around the world. We will not rest on the achievements we have. Foryou Medical will keep on honing and tempering ourselves by aiming for and achieving higher goals and grow into a leading enterprise in the field of acute and chronic wound care. For you, for us, for life.